Coley Cars here. Right now we are looking at a 2014 Ram 1500 Sport. You can see in the front that you have the Sports Performance hood. This also has active grille shutters when you're on the highway and going different speeds, so open and close to help save you on fuel. Coming around the side, you have the side step to help you get in and out. And the black here's with the side step are a really nice contrast to the red. It is a spray and box liner as well, so you don't have to worry about your box getting damaged. And there's a little bit of snow in there right now. Coming around the back here, we do have your parking sensors and backup camera, so you are guaranteed not to hit anything from behind unless you turn those off and you can't see. You also have your trailer tow package as well, so you can just go ahead and tow whatever you like. Let's take a close look on the inside. So to start off on the inside, we're looking at a 7-inch display screen right here, and hitting the buttons on the steering wheel, it'll give you multiple options to see what you want to look at. So which is great, because while you're driving and you want to know something, you can just hit that button to check and see what's going on. We also have our Bluetooth hands-free connect as well, so you don't have to worry about any tickets, and you have a heated leather wrap steering wheel. Great for these chillier days if you don't got your mittens on. Coming on to the radio here, we do have your AM/FM Sirius radio as well as with your USB auxiliary, Bluetooth, and SD card. This does have a premium sound system as well, so you've got that nice alpine sound pumping through here all the time. For your controls, for climate, you have your heated and cooled front seats, and the front seats are both electric as well, so you can always find the perfect comfort level you need, as well as you do have your dual zone air conditioning and heating, so each side can have its own temperature, as well as in here you have navigation as well, and who doesn't love navigation, especially if you're going to the city and you're not too sure where you're headed. So whenever you have your coordinates plugged in, they'll actually show up back over here on your 7-inch display screen, so you don't have to look too far from the road once again to see where you're going and what you're doing. And if you look around the truck here, there's plenty of space. It's a nice truck, as well as you got your sunroof. So in the summertime, if you don't want to use your air conditioning and you want that fresh air, you just open that thing up and you're good to go. So if you're interested, just give us a shout at 780-594-2277 or just stop on in and take it out for a test drive. Thanks, we'll see you soon.